let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 1 of chapter number 6, integers. And in this session we are going to learn about integers and representation of integers on number line and comparing integers also. Okay, so let us start with the topic why we need negative numbers. Need for negative numbers, the first topic. So look at the following subtraction. 7 minus 4, it is 3. 5 minus 0, it is 5. And 23 minus 17, it is 6. Now think over this subtraction. 4 minus 7 is equals to question mark, 0 minus 5, 17 minus 23. So 4 minus 7, 0 minus 5 and 17 minus 23, we will not able to subtract a larger number from the smaller number within the set of whole numbers. If we are restricted to whole numbers, you are not able to subtract. Okay, so whole number are not sufficient to carry out all subtractions, right? So we need have a new number. That is why we need have a new number. So these new numbers were invented, and these numbers are called integers. That is negative numbers. These numbers are called negative numbers. So these were denoted by putting a minus sign before a whole number, like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, right? So that is why we need a negative number. So let us move towards the next topic, oppositeness in real life situations. So there are situations in real life which are exactly contrary to each other. For examples, we are going to bank for depositing the money. The same time we go to the bank for withdrawal also. So withdrawal of money from the bank is the opposite of deposit. Okay, and when you play a match of cricket, football, you may win the match, you may lose the match. So victory in a football match is the opposite of defeat. Okay, now if you are going to your classroom 6th day, you have to go up the staircase, and while going to your home again, you have to come down. So going up the staircase is the opposite of coming down. And the next is that business में कुछ किसी को loss होता है, किसी को profit होता है. So loss in business is the opposite of profit. And same case for the temperature. आज temperature थोड़ा कम लग रहा है, कल ज़्यादा था, कल ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. So fall in temperature during winter is the opposite of rise in temperature during summers. And similarly, 100 meter below the sea level is the opposite of 100 meter above the sea level. Okay, so these are the oppositeness which we will see in our day-to-day life. Now let us move towards the next topic. Oppositeness indicates opposite directions. Okay, once we choose a direction as opposite, then the opposite direction is negative. अगर हम लोग एक opposite direction को positive से denote करते हैं, plus से एक direction को, तो उसके opposite वाला जो direction उसको minus sign से denote करेंगे, right? So if suppose, for example, if we are taking up as a positive, so down will be negative. If we are taking as increase is positive, then decrease will be negative. If we are taking north is positive, so south will be negative. If we are taking west as positive, then east will be negative. If we are taking deposit as positive, then withdrawal is negative. If we are taking above is positive, then below is negative. So if above is positive, below is negative. So thus you may say an aeroplane at a height of plus 1000 meter or simply 1000 meter, क्योंकि अगर हम लोग कुछ भी साइन नहीं लगा रहे तो प्लस ही है वो. And a submarine at a depth of minus 800 meter, right? So now let us move towards the next topic, positive numbers. Positive numbers are greater than 0. and they may written with positive sign plus, but they are usually written without it also. अगर हम लोग 2 बोल रहे हैं तो that is understood that it is plus 2. Okay, so the boiling point of water is written as plus 100 degrees Celsius. So we can write 100 degrees Celsius only without writing plus sign. It is understood that it is a positive number. But for negative number we have to put sign minus, and all negative numbers are less than 0. Okay, and they are always written with a negative sign, that is minus. And so the temperature below the freezing point 0 degree hota hai. Below the freezing point -2, -4, -35 degrees Celsius, etc. We used to write with minus sign. Okay, so now both positive and negative numbers are called directed numbers, as they indicate directions. They deal with opposite direction. अगर एक direction of positive होगा तो उसके opposite वाला negative होगा, right? And once a direction is chosen to be positive, then the opposite direction is negative. अगर किसी एक को हम लोग पॉजिटिव मान के चल रहे हैं, जैसे अप, तो उसका जो ऑपोजिट होगा डाउन वो नेगेटिव होगा. They are also called signed numbers because of the plus or minus sign which is a part of them. Okay, so now we are moving towards some try these questions. Write the following numbers with appropriate signs plus minus के साथ में. 100 meter below sea level. The answer is below means yes, minus 100 meter. 25 degree Celsius above 0 degree Celsius. Above plus 25 degree Celsius. 15 degree Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. Below. So minus yes, minus 15 degree Celsius. Any 5 numbers less than 0. I told you that. Wait. Just now I told you that all negative numbers are less than 0. So any 5 negative numbers you can write here. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Other than that also you can write -10, -20, -100, -1000. All these numbers are less than 0. Any 5 numbers you have to write. Okay. So now we are moving toward our main topic, integers. So integers is nothing but it is the combination of all natural numbers and negative of natural numbers, that is -1, -2, -3 along with 0 together are called integers. So the natural number 1, 2, 3 and the negative of natural number -1, -2, -3 together with 0 are called integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative, right? So this is the representation. See this, how we will write integers. Left side also dot means it will be extended to infinity, infinite, and right side also dot means it will extend towards right also, infinite. So these are called positive integers, these are negative integers. Okay, and the largest and the smallest integers cannot be determined क्योंकि right side में भी वो dot it will go up to infinity. So right side वाला large number है, positive integers are greater than 0. So that is why largest small integer is not determined. Similarly, smallest जितना left जाओगे small मिलेगा. So smallest integer also cannot be determined. Okay. So now we are going to figure out some symbolic representation of numbers. Suppose this is the symbolic representation of natural number. This is 0, and this is rectangular shape is whole number, and triangular shape is negative numbers, and this is pentagonal. Okay, it is integers. So देखो, all natural numbers are integers, all whole numbers are integers, all zeros are integers, all negative numbers are also integers. So all the collection of integers can be understood. We can understood by this figure. This figure. See, ये पूरा integer है pentagon, और उसके अंदर में rectangle है. This is whole number, and this is circle. This is 0, and this is natural number. Okay, and this is negative numbers. Okay, negative numbers, not that here negative numbers sense the negative of natural number, not the actual negative numbers, क्योंकि minus 1.5 भी negative numbers होते हैं. Okay, so वो वाला नहीं है, negative of natural numbers, right? Okay, so now we are moving toward the next topic, representation of integers on a number line. So what we will do, we will draw a line first. We will draw a line. Then we will mark a point 0 on in between the line. Okay, then mark at equal distance, equal unit to the right of the 0 पहले. Similarly, we have to now उसके बाद इसमें labeling करो 1 2 3 4 5 so on, right? Now after that again you have to mark at equal distance to the left of the 0, and you have to label it -1 -2 -3 towards left hand side. Okay, this way we can represent every integer on the number line. See, 0 के right side में positive integers हैं और 0 के left side में negative integers हैं. Okay, so now we are moving toward the next topic, positive and negative integers. Positive integers are the integers that lie on the right side of the 0. Okay, on the number line 1 2 3 4 are all positive integers, and the negative integers are the integers that lie to the left of the 0 on the number line. ठीक है, -1 -2 -3 -4 so on are all integers, negative integers, right? So let us see one example. Suppose we have to mark -6 on the number line. Okay, so हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 0 से 6 लेफ्ट साइड मूव करेंगे, 6 पॉइंट्स. सी 1 2 3 4 5 6, so we reached here 6 -6. Similarly, if we want to mark +2 on the number line, so we have to move 2 points to the right of the 0, right? See this figure 1 2, so ये point 2 हो गया. Okay, so now we are moving towards one very important part, and you have to remember this one. See, this is the pictorial representation of all the integers. 0 is neither negative nor integer. 1 का opposite -1, 2 का opposite -2 और 3 का opposite -3. Similarly, 4 का opposite -4 and 5 का opposite -5, and the opposite of 6 is -6, opposite of 7 -7, opposite of 8 -8. Okay, now you have to remember few points with respect to number line of integers. Okay, so all numbers, first point, all numbers to the right of the 0 are positive integers. This part, ठीक है, 0 के right में जितने भी ये numbers दिख रहे हैं integers, these are positive integers. Okay, on the number line all numbers to the right of 0 are positive integers. Similarly, all the numbers to the left of zeros are negative integers. And अगर कोई भी यहाँ पे दो इंटीजर्स हम लोग देख रहे हैं, सपोज आई एम गोइंग टू सी 5 और 8, लेफ्ट साइड में कौन सा इंटीजर है इसमें, 5, राइट साइड में 8. सो अ नंबर ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन ए नंबर टू इट्स लेफ्ट. 8 जो है वो 7 6 5, इसके लेफ्ट साइड में जितने भी इंटीजर्स हैं सबसे बड़ा है वो. Okay, so next point is that a number is always greater than a number to its left. Similarly, a number is always smaller than a number to its right. ठीक है, जैसे मैं एग्जांपल ले रहा हूँ 1 के राइट साइड में जितने भी नंबर्स है उससे छोटा है. ओके, इफ यू टेक -7 के राइट साइड में जितने भी नंबर्स हैं ये -7 उससे छोटा है. So all numbers to the left of another are less than the number, and one very important, all numbers to the right of another are greater than the number. Okay, this property we will use to compare the integers. Okay, now we are moving toward the next topic, successor and predecessor of integers. Already we have studied in whole numbers, so यहाँ पे क्या है successor वो थोड़ा देखते हैं. First, on a number line, if we move to the right side, 1 unit to the right side, ठीक है, तो जिस नंबर पे पहुंचेंगे that number is called successor. On a number line, if a movement of only 1 unit is made to the right of a number, we get the successor of a number. We'll see one example. So suppose we have to find the successor of 2 and -4. So पहले तो एक नंबर लाइन बना लिए, यहाँ पे 2 यहाँ पर है, ठीक है. So we will start from here. एक यूनिट जंप करना है, राइट. तो हम लोग पहुंच गए 3 पे. So 3 is the successor of 2. Now -4 is here. So we will make one jump and we will reach at -3. Okay. So that means successor of -4 is -3 and successor of 2 is 3. Right. And from the figure it is clear that the successor of 2 is 3 and that of -4 is -3. And simply what we used to how we will find the successor in whole numbers, +1 करते हैं. So same, +1 means right side one movement, right. Now predecessor, सक्सेसर में हम लोग 1 यूनिट राइट मूव किए, प्रीडिसेसर में 1 यूनिट हम लोग लेफ्ट मूव करेंगे. ओके. सो ऑन ए नंबर लाइन, इफ ए मूवमेंट of only 1 unit is made to the left of the number, we get the predecessor of the number. Okay, so let us find the predecessor of 2 and -4 once again. So -4 का देखो, मैं लेफ्ट साइड में 1 यूनिट मूव करना है. So कहाँ पे पहुँचे? -5, right. So that means the successor of predecessor of -4 is -5. Now predecessor of 2, एक यूनिट हम लोग लेफ्ट साइड मूव किए, सो हम लोग पहुंचे 1 पे. सो प्रीडिसेसर ऑफ 2 इज 1, राइट. सो प्रीडिसेसर ऑफ -4 we got -5 and that of 2 is 1. So now in general, for successor we used to add 1, for predecessor we used to subtract 1 from the given integer. This you have to remember. Okay, so now we will do a few questions. Do these questions, which is from page number 115 NCERT. So write the successor of the following. 10 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 11. Very good.
11.
And after 8?
9.
9. Right. And now see, -5 के right side में कौन सा नंबर है?
-4.
-4. Right. -3 के right side में? -2. 0 के बाद 1. राइट. देखो हम लोग 10 + 1 किए तो 11 आया. +1 मतलब एक राइट साइड जंप किए. 8 + 1 9, -5 + 1 -4, -3 + 1 -2 and 0 + 1 1. We will see addition in detail. Okay, write the predecessor of the following. We have to move towards left. 10 का एक लेफ्ट 9, 8 का लेफ्ट 1 जंप 7, 5 का 1 लेफ्ट जंप 4, 3 से 1 लेफ्ट जंप 2, 0 -1. Right. So we got this one. Now we are moving toward the next topic, comparing and ordering of integers. Right. So integers can be ordered. Ordered means compare करना होता है. In the same way as we done in whole number. Right. So integers can be ordered or compared in the same way as we order whole numbers with the help of a number line. So on a number line, if a whole number lies on the left side of the whole number, suppose we are taking A and B. Okay, एक मिनट, हम लोग suppose A और B दोनों ले रहे हैं. If A lies on left and B lies on right, so we say that A is less than B. Okay. और अगर A right side में है, B left side में है, so A is greater than B हो जाएगा, right? So right में जो है वो बड़ा है. Likewise, if B lies on the right of A, we say that B is greater than A, right? Same is true for the integers also. Now to compare the two integers, what we will do, we will make we will draw a number line, then we will represent both the integers on the number line, then we will check that कि कौन सा लेफ्ट साइड में और कौन सा राइट साइड में. ओके, सो द नंबर ऑफ ऑन द राइट इज ग्रेटर देन द नंबर ऑन द लेफ्ट, or number on the left is smaller than the number on the right side. Okay, and some inequality relationship can be observed on the number line. So we'll see on some examples. So let us compare two integers. Okay, see 4 हम लोग का यहाँ पर है, देखो यहाँ पर, and 7 यहाँ पर है. So 4 lies left side and 7 lies right side. So just now I told you that right is greater, left is smaller. So 4 is less than 7, or we can say that 7 is greater than 4. One more example, -5 and 2. देखो -5 यहाँ पर है और 2 यहाँ पर है. -5 is on the left side and 2 is on the right side. So right is greater, left is smaller. So -5 is smaller than 2, or 2 is greater than -5. We'll see one more example. -4 less than -4 or 1, -1. See -4 and -1. -4 is lies on left side, -1 right side में है. So just now I told right is greater, left is smaller. So -4 is less than -1 and -1 is greater than -1. We observe that left is smaller and right is greater. Okay. So using this concept, we can compare any two integers on the number line. So let us do some try these questions. So compare the following pairs of numbers using greater than or less than symbol. So 0 lies on right side of -8. ठीक है, 0 जो है -8 के right side में, तो 0 बड़ा है, so greater than. -1 -15 के राइट साइड में, ओके, इट लाइज राइट ऑफ द -15, so -1 is greater. Next one is 5 and -5. 5, all positive integers are right side of the negative integers, so 5 is greater than
One is
-5.
greater than -15.
11 15, 11 जो है 15 के लेफ्ट साइड में, so लेफ्ट साइड वाला छोटा होता है, so 11 is less than 15. 0 6, 0 lies left of the 6. 6 के लेफ्ट साइड में रहता है, तो 0 छोटा होगा. -22, -20 जो है लेफ्ट साइड में होगा और 2 0 के राइट साइड में, तो दैट मीन्स -20 is less than 2. Okay. Now from the above exercise, Rohini arrived at the following conclusions. First, every positive integer is larger than every negative integer. Correct. Why? 0 के लेफ्ट साइड में नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स हैं और 0 के राइट साइड में पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स हैं. So whenever you will take any positive and negative integer always lies on right side, negative integer left side. Right. Next one, 0 is less than every positive integer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 0 is less than every positive integer. 0 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर के लेफ्ट साइड में होता है, ठीक है. ऑल पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स लाइज ऑन राइट साइड, सो दैट मीन्स पॉजिटिव इंटीजर जो है वो बड़ा है और 0 छोटा है. सिमिलरली 0 के लेफ्ट साइड में सारे नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स होते हैं, सो 0 नेगेटिव सारे नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स से बड़ा है. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. नाउ द d bit, 0 is neither negative integer nor a positive integer. ओके, नेगेटिव इंटीजर भी नहीं है, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर भी नहीं है, दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट, क्योंकि 0 के राइट साइड में पॉजिटिव है, 0 के लेफ्ट साइड में नेगेटिव है. फार्दर अ नंबर फ्रॉम 0 ऑन द राइट, लार्जर इट्स वैल्यू इज इट्स वैल्यू. करेक्ट, क्योंकि जितना राइट साइड में हम लोग आगे जाते रहेंगे उतना बड़ा वैल्यू मिलता जाएगा. एंड फार्दर अ नंबर फ्रॉम 0 ऑन द लेफ्ट, स्मॉलर इज इट्स वैल्यू. जितने भी हम लोग लेफ्ट साइड में जाते रहेंगे, -100, -1000 और -1 लाख, उतना छोटा वैल्यू होता जाएगा. सो क्वेश्चन, डू यू एग्री विथ हर? आंसर इज यस. एग्जाम्पल्स में ऑलरेडी बता दिया हूँ. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 6.1. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Write opposites of the following: increase in weight, decrease in weight. Right, very good. Next, 30 kilometer north, 30
30
kilometer
kilometers
south.
south.
Very good.
kilometers south.
80 meter east,
80 meters
80 meter west. Right. Loss of rupees 700.
profit of
Yes,
Profit
profit of 700. 100 meter above sea level, 100 meter below sea level,
below sea level.
100 meter below sea level. Now second question, represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. First, an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. That means plus 2000. ठीक है, केवल हम लोग को नंबर लिखना है.
Number.
Only we have to write the number, okay, with sign. A submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level, minus 800, minus 800. A deposit of rupees 200, deposit मतलब plus हो रहा है, plus 200, plus 200, ये 200 है ना, right. Withdrawal of rupees 700, minus 700. Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 3. Represent the following numbers on the number line. तो पहले तो हम लोग नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, उसके बाद रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. तो +5 मतलब यहाँ पर आ गया, देखो जिसको मैं अभी रेड मार्क कर रहा हूँ. सो दिस इज +5, राइट. नेक्स्ट वन, इसको यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं +5, राइट. नेक्स्ट वन -10. -10 अगेन वी विल ड्रॉ वन नंबर लाइन. सो -10 यहाँ पर है, तो इसको मार्क कर लिए. सो दिस इज द रिप्रेजेंटेशन. -10 ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पर. नेक्स्ट +8 मीन्स 8 ओनली. सो 8 यहाँ पर है, इसको मार्क कर लिए, राइट. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट दिस इज +8, राइट. नेक्स्ट -1 इज हियर, तो यहाँ पे मार्क कर लिए -1. नेक्स्ट द लास्ट वन इज -6 इज हियर, इसको भी मार्क कर लिए, ओके. सो -6 हो गया यहाँ पर. So this is the question number 3. Now we are moving toward the last question of today's session. That is question number 4. Adjacent figure is a vertical number line. This one. Vertical number line means 0 के ऊपर प्लस होगा और 0 के नीचे माइनस होगा. Okay. So representing integers, observe it and locate the following. कोई आंसर नहीं बताएगा. So पहले हम लोग इसको मार्क कर लेते हैं. +1, +2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. नीचे अब मार्क करते हैं. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, last -10. Right. Now if point D is +8, which is point -8, already we got F. Right. Is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? G क्या है देखो, -6. -6 मतलब negative integer. Right. Write integers for points B and E. B है +4, that is 4 only, and E is -10. Okay. So +4, -10. And the next question is, which point marked on this number line has the least value? जो सबसे नीचे है, E. Right. Arrange all the points in decreasing order. Decreasing order means बड़ा से छोटा. So ऊपर से आ जाओ. C, B, A, H, G, F, E. So this is the decreasing order of all the values. Right. So this is the last question. Now we are moving toward the next section, assignment questions. This I will post through Google Classroom. Right. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.